Number 1. The 1969 Ford Mustang, price $42,500. This 1969 Mustang is built on an Art Morrison frame and is equipped with a 4-link Ford 9" rear end with 4.11 gears. The seller notes that, while the car is registered as a 1969 Mustang, it features a 1970 front clip. Power comes from a 355 Chevrolet small block, producing approximately 500 horsepower, with an additional 200 horsepower available via a nitrous kit. The engine is mounted with a solid engine plate and paired with a turbo 400 transmission. Stopping power is handled by Willwood brakes, and the suspension includes stainless steel tubular control arms with coilovers. The seller states that the car is dependable, responsive, and does not overheat. Extensive documentation is available for serious buyers. The seller is willing to sell as a roller, with flexibility on included components. Trades are welcome, with a trade value of $5,000. Located in Denton, Florida. Number 2. The 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced $49,500. This 1955 Bel Air Prostreet is powered by a 427 engine, paired with a turbo 400 transmission and a 3,200 stall converter. The rear end features a Dana setup with 4.10 gears and a Posey differential. The car rides on 33 by 22 tires with ladder bars and is equipped with direct port nitrous. The seller notes that the paint and interior are new, and the car has a fiberglass tilt front end. Inside, it features a digital dash, a chrome steering column, and a new wiring harness. The car runs great and presents well. The seller states it has had only 2 owners and holds a clean title. Located in Cape Carteret, North Carolina. Number 3. The 1958 Chevrolet Apache 3100 pickup, price $17,500. This 1958 Apache features a big window cab and has been modified with a small block V8, paired with a 350 automatic transmission. The engine is fitted with a new carburetor and a large cam. The seller notes that the truck has been tubbed and rides on 33" Mickey Thompson rear tires, supported by a Ford 9" rear end with a 4-link suspension and coilovers. The front end has been swapped with a Camaro front clip, including disc brakes. Recent work includes new glass all around, and the seller is in the process of installing power windows. A new wiring harness is also included, but has not yet been installed. The truck remains a work in progress with ongoing improvements. Located in Callahan, Florida. Number 4. The 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback, price $58,000. This 1968 Mustang is a Prostreet, Pro Touring build with a 351 Windsor and a blower, as the seller notes. The engine is fresh, with only 400 miles. Power is sent through a 2-speed power glide transmission with a trans brake and line lock. The car features a tube chassis with a fiberglass front clip and trunk lid, while the rest of the body is steel. It weighs 1,950 pounds, with documentation to verify. Other features include a wheelie bar and a clean title registered for street use. Starts and drives well. Serious inquiries only. Located in Las Vegas, Nevada. Number 5. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, priced $34,000. This 1967 Camaro has been backhalved and features a narrowed Ford 9" rear end with 4.56 gears. The car rides on 31 by 18.5 by 15 Hoosier tires, though the seller notes they will need replacement. Power comes from a 555 big block engine, estimated to produce over 700 horsepower. The motor has approximately 800 miles on it, and while nitrous is installed, it is not currently hooked up. The drivetrain includes a 4-speed manual transmission. The seller states that the car is extremely fast but has never been taken to the track. This is not a show car, but the seller emphasizes that it is a serious build. The car is not an SS model and is being sold as is. The seller is not in a hurry to sell, but may consider trades for 3/4-ton Dodge or GM trucks or newer Camaros. Located in West Topsham, Vermont. Number 6. The 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop, priced $65,000. This 1955 Bel Air is a Prostreet build with a mini-tubbed rear end, maintaining a factory-like appearance. It sits on 15 by 10 rear wheels and 15 by 6 front wheels. Power comes from a 548 Dart big block Chevrolet engine featuring AFR heads with shaft rockers, strip dominator intake, bullet solid roller cam, diamond forged pistons, Cali's rods, and a scat steel crank, rated for up to 1,500 horsepower. The drivetrain includes a turbo 400 transmission built by Virginia Speed, equipped with a reverse valve body, transbrake, and line lock. Ignition is handled by an MSD power grid system. Suspension and chassis upgrades include an anti-roll bar, monoleaf cow tracks with adjustable shocks, double adjustable coilovers up front, tubular control arms with 2 inches drop spindles, slotted rotors, and disc brakes in the front. The seller notes that the car has numerous new parts, including chrome trim bumpers and a stainless grille. Located in Danville, Virginia. Number 7. The 1965 Pontiac GTO, priced $30,000. This 1965 Pontiac is a full chassis caged build, set up for both street and strip use. The driver's side door bar was removed, but the seller still has it if the new owner wants to reinstall it. Under the hood, the car features a Fulton Racing 383 small block Chevy built for nitrous, though the system has been plumbed but never wired. Power is sent through a turbo 400 transmission with a reverse manual valve body, transbrake, and a 3,500 stall converter. The rear end is a narrowed Dana 60 with 3.73 gears and a locker. The seller notes that the car launches hard, tracks straight, and runs cool, making it a great candidate for drag-and-drive events. Since purchasing the car late last year, he has installed a new exhaust system and upgraded to a Holley HP 830 annular discharge carburetor, though the car hasn't yet made it to the track due to winter conditions. While he doesn't have to sell, the seller is open to partial trades and offers, and can assist with shipping if needed. Located in Indiana, Pennsylvania. Number 8. The 1967 Chevy II Nova SS, priced $95,000. This 1967 Chevy II Nova Prostreet is a show-quality build, featuring a new ATK high-performance 540 crate engine producing 660 horsepower, dyno sheet included. The engine has only 200 miles on it and runs on pump gas. Power is sent through a turbo 400 transmission with a Cameron's torque converter, leading to a Ford 9 inches rear end with 4.10 gears. The car is finished in a striking brandy candy wine paint, which the seller describes as flawless, complemented by a custom interior. According to the seller, this is one of the nicest Prostreet Novas you will find, drawing attention wherever it goes. Located in Sumter, South Carolina. Number 9. The 1972 Chevrolet C10, priced $55,000. According to the seller, this 1972 Chevy C10 Prostreet is a fully restored, show-ready truck with only 2,801 miles since completion. It features a 355 engine with a 571 blower and dual 650 Holley carburetors, paired with a 700R automatic transmission. The truck is equipped with vintage air and heat. The drivetrain includes a narrowed 12-bolt rear end with a 4-link suspension and coilovers. The seller describes the paint and interior as beautiful, with odometer gauges completing the custom cabin. This C10 is rust-free and ready for car shows. The seller is open to possible trades for classic cars and trucks, censored preferred, but not project vehicles or junk. Located in Fort Worth, Texas. Number 10. The 1941 Willys Coupe, priced $65,000. This 1941 Willys features an outlaw body and chassis. Under the hood, it's powered by a 509 engine with Merlin heads, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The drivetrain includes a Ford 9 inches rear end with 3.90 gears. The seller states that the car looks and sounds great and is ready to be driven anywhere. This Willys comes with a clean title and is priced firm at $65,000. located in Charlotte, North Carolina. Number 11. The 1969 GMC pickup, price $18,000, built in the late 90s by an old-school drag racer. This 1969 GMC CK pickup was designed to be both a show truck and a high-performance street machine. The seller notes that it made 500 horsepower to the wheels on motor alone when originally built. Under the hood, it features a 383 4-bolt main engine with a balanced Eagle rotating assembly, Bro-Dix aluminum heads, and a custom cam. Fuel delivery comes from a standalone fuel system with a MagnaFlow pump and a fuel cell, while a tunnel ram intake feeds dual Holley 650 carburetors. Power is sent through AT5635 55-speed manual transmission, leading to a narrowed and built Ford 9 inches rear end with 3.73 gears. The chassis setup includes QA1 rear coilovers, traction bars, and a mini-tubbed rear. The seller states that no expense was spared during the build, and while the truck could use minor freshening up, it runs and drives as good as it looks and is ready to be enjoyed today. Shipping available at buyer's expense. Located in Lebanon, New Jersey. Number 12. The 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, priced $130,000. According to the seller, this 1968 Camaro is a show-quality build that is tagged and insured for street driving while being fully prepped for the track. Under the hood, it features a Skip White Performance 632 engine delivering serious horsepower and running a consistent 520 on a 400 shot of nitrous. The drivetrain includes a 4.10 Moser rear end, paired with a race-built automatic transmission. The suspension is fully upgraded with strange front struts and minor rear shocks. Weld wheels complete the stance, and the car is equipped with an NH-certified 850 cage. The seller states that over $230,000 has been invested in the build, with everything being new and top tier. Must see to fully appreciate. Located in Sumter, South Carolina.